On today's Pillow Talk, let's check out before and after properties. Now you might be wondering, what is a before and after property? Very simply, we're going to be looking at the exact same property that has sold years before and how much it recently sold for. So here's a great example. So let's check it out. We're currently in Clarkson, where this house sold 14 years ago and recently sold today. The difference in price point is $872,777. That is $63,000 a year on average. Let's take a look at this Brampton home that initially sold 19 years ago. The difference in the two sold prices is $755K. That's an average of $40K a year. Taking it over to Milton, an average of $63,000 per year. And what you could really do is you could put a down payment on one of these pre-construction properties where for the first year, you only have to put down 10% plus 10 grand. So in total, you could be spending $60K to invest in a whole new property. Here's some of what it entitles you to and some of the incentives. But let's get back to it. We're in Cambridge. This one sold 3 years prior, and the difference in appreciation is $45K. Next up is Hamilton, where it sold 8 years later, and the appreciation was $458,500. Now, let's get bougie and refer back to the first situation of $63K in 1 year that property appreciated. What would you do with $63K? You could buy a luxury car, a down payment on a house, and even a trip around the world. If you're thinking a little bit more savvy, you can pay off your debt and invest in something worthwhile.